Abe, are you awake?
Yes, George, I am.
I can't sleep.
George, you are a carved-out boulder, just like me. You don't sleep.
If we are just rocks, why are we talking with each other? Did I smoke some bad pot in the 16th century and just now wake up?
No, you didn't, George. Everyone knows that pot was created by today's generations.
Are Tommy and Ted part of today's generations then? They haven't said a word, and they look stoned.
No, George. And, by the way, their posse names are TJ and Ted Daddy.
Posse names? Are they cowboys?
Now I know why the money my face is on is worth more than the money your face is on. You are as bright as George number 43.
Wow. You chop a cherry tree and people hold it against you for eternity.
This has nothing to do with the cherry tree, George.
I wonder if President Obama will join us up here someday.
What in the Black Hills of South Dakota are you talking about, George?
Well, isn't his first name Butt Rock?
Sometimes I wish Tommy and Ted didn't fall for that Nancy Pelosi Botox infomercial. Then I would have a Rolling Stone with no moss to talk to.
The Rolling Stones. Now that's a band.
Why did I have to be such a remarkable president? I could have lived out my legacy peacefully, like Al Gore.
The guy who invented the internet. The guy who thinks the world is melting. Ice melts faster in a margarita.
I give up. Hope I don't have to stay up here 77 years more.